just installed some window vents. Picked it up 2 weeks ago. They look really good. Thanks to Louis right here for helping me install it. It needs a car wash. You see all the water stains on it. New wheels coming soon, new hood coming soon, new trunk coming soon. Looks super nice. Yo, Louis, what do you drive, bro?
I drive a 2013 Subaru Wrx.
This is his build. It has all the carbon fiber goodies. You want to tell us about your build?
So right now it's basic bolt-ons. You have catless headers, front pipe. I ended up blowing out the cat, so it's like I have a catless front pipe. Other than that, basic carbon parts from Saban Carbon, the one and only. It is running on E85 right now. Other than that, it is just on teen lowering springs, which lowers it 1 to 2 inches, I believe. Other than that, it's basically stock, besides some interior carbon pieces. I think that's basically much it. It's still a little bit relative stock, but plans are to lower it in the future with some BC coils, hopefully. That trunk is from Saban itself, but it is a one-off. So I am the only one that currently has it in the States. Not too sure why they didn't produce more of it, but I got lucky enough to get the exclusive, and I have now one-of-one carbon fiber trunk. And I think that's pretty much it.
Okay.
All right, sounds good. I'll see you here. We are currently waiting for Rathy, who drives a sick RCF. He's gonna be pulling up any minute now. It's a bag blue RCF. All right, so let's grab it. Put in this. So this, maxed out. All right, this one is on. Now,
This one feels a lot more sturdier than the other one for sure.
does it?
There's a little bit like more of a gap.
There he is. He's here. Yup.
Ooh.
Check out Rathy's build. What's good? Long time no see. I haven't seen Rathy in like a year or two now. How's it going, man? Good to see you again. Let my people know about your build, Rathy. What's done to your RCF? Well, first off, what year is it?
2015 electric RCF. I have a carbon fiber hood, custom lights here, lights in the grill that you can't see right now because they're not on. Ram lights, painted my calipers, gutted the rear, took out the rear seat. Basic stuff.
I really do like the license plate.
Oh yeah, pics please.
Pics, please.
I known Rathy for a little over 10 years.
Yeah.
Around 10 years. Before I even had a driver's license, that's when I first met Rathy. Wow, look at that. Let me turn up the
Stock intake, but titanium elbow. Just because the stock intake is the best for this car.
But
everybody tells me they can hear me like a mile down the road.
Yeah. Well, that's what I'm saying. Like
you probably heard me all the way over there.
I said I was like Rathy's right there. So I heard you.
That's what people tell me. They're like, I hear you 2 blocks away. I'm like,
I mean, it's a V8.
Like
you have a loud exhaust, so
not that loud.
It's pretty loud, dude. I feel bad for your neighbors. Like even I feel bad for my neighbors having this, but yours is extremely loud.
My neighbors feel bad for my roommates.
Yeah.
Well, wake up in the morning and the whole house vibrates.
Yeah, that's bad. That's bad.
Yep.
None of this was planned.
You lucky I woke up literally 10 minutes.
Yeah, so I had messaged this dude at like what? Like 11? 12? 12:50? I was like, yo.
I woke up at 1 o'clock because I slept at 6 a.m. Yeah. I was like, oh, I just woke up. You got to give me like an hour.
That's wild. Rathy's known me for a really long time, and he will tell you. So
Rathy known you before you could even drive.
Yeah, exactly. He knew me before I got my driver's license. But,
yep.
He knows how bad I wanted a WRX.
Especially a blow-by.
Yeah. It's fucking crazy that here we are. Haven't seen each other in a few years, I would say, and then I got a new WRX, but check that out.
No, you finally got your dream car, achieved it. I got one of my dream cars.
Yeah, that's crazy.
So
we're all.
You guys want to race?
Oh,
Oh, you're faster than us.
I don't doubt it.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you. Hoonigan. And this
Excuse me, sir, this is my moment.
Excuse me. Oh yeah. Now we're down.
God damn. I forgot.
How we looking? More? Rathy's inspiring me to go bad, honestly. We just got finished taking photos at this spot. We're gonna be switching over to the marina, which is somewhere in that direction.
Somewhere over there?
It's unfortunately blocked off on that side, so we're gonna be driving around. Cleaning these wheels, they are filthy. Look at all that dirt. Just found a spot to shoot at the end of the day. Camera battery is at 2% right now. My microphones are dying, so this will probably be the last clip of the vlog. But thank you guys so much for tuning in and checking out my build and vlog. Newest thing on the car was the window vents. So next will probably be seats. I'll be shooting that probably next weekend. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of the vents, if they were a good addition to the build or not. Peace out.